Ex-servicemen aro yoke Ozwamenyungbo le 1948. Please flex muzzles in Ayaso East ahead of Ayaso East by-election. La Ayaso Ntoma Jajaro regime wagubo awo election. Election ago la so takpe bemei la shiage. So powito va the mojakaro wachane kavaro ojiha ozon ode achane kavaro tibe ameglepo na nyawe msele yo le kpekledu amare manya okache biaba munele akomanda dama yo ntonya. All right, Mahama unveils Ghana's renewal plan. Goklola pong le filagwe State of the Nation address. Yanye mike chachambia omafi aka matonya tefono emikpo analytics so pleto pipa pe de shibe Iran leader po egba chi yavalogy chowu nyajojo esiade. So that's that. All right, me there's Zavin Toman. Me Zavin Toman. Zavi traditional area bids farewell to beloved leader. The Zavi traditional area in Ghana, Volta region, has bid farewell to its paramount chief, Togbega Kweku Ayim IV, who passed away after 33 years of dedicated service. According to Edem Kofi Poto, Soho Central Constituency NDC Member of Parliament, the late chief was a father figure, a source of wisdom, and foundation for peace within the community. The funeral rites, which took place from February 9 to 28. Wow. The funeral rites, which took place from February 9 to 28, that is 19 days, showcase the rich Ewe culture and traditions with Asafo performances, cultural vigils, and tributes from various traditional areas. The ceremony was attended by dignitaries including the President's representative, Chief of Staff Julius Debra, and other notable figures. Togbega Ayim, the fourth leadership, was marked by dignity, dedication to advancement, and unwavering affection for his people. He secured traditional councils and status for Ziavi, granting its autonomy, and established the Ziavi Senior High Technical School, enhancing education and human resources in the region. Oh, wow. According to Potusu, the late chief's legacy will undoubtedly motivate future generations. His leadership was characterized by dignity, a dedication to advancement, and an unwavering affection for his people. The Grand Royal Burial Service took place on February 28th with post-burial customary rites and memorial services held from March to 8th. All right,